In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Lucidchart diagram in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Lucidchart or just need a quick refresher on managing your diagrams, this guide will walk you through the process efficiently. Let's start by heading over to the Lucidchart website. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to lucidchart.com. If you already have an account, the first step is to log in. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you will need to enter your email address. After typing in your email, click the next button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Carefully type in your password, ensuring there are no typos, and then hit the login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard page where all your documents are stored. Now click on Documents to display all the diagrams and files you've worked on or have access to. Scroll through your files and select the one you want to copy by clicking Open File. This will bring you to the editing interface where you can view and interact with your chosen diagram. Next, head to the menu bar at the top of the page and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you'll want to select Make a Copy. This functionality is particularly useful if you want to modify an existing diagram without altering the original. At this point, a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter a new name for your copied diagram. Choose a name that makes it easy for you to identify later, and once you're done, click OK to finalize the copy. Alternatively, there's another method if you prefer working from the dashboard. Head back to your documents by clicking Back. Locate the file you wish to copy and hover over it. You should see 3 vertical dots on the right hand side of the file name. Click those dots to reveal a drop down menu. Look for an option that says Copy. Clicking this will essentially duplicate the file, leaving the original untouched. Once cloning is complete, a message will indicate that the file has been successfully copied. And that's it! You've now duplicated a Lucidchart diagram using 2 straightforward methods. I hope this tutorial was helpful and has shown you how easily you can manage your diagrams with Lucidchart. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.